Welcome to our video comparing two of the most powerful desktop processors on the market. The Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads and the AMD Ryzen 9995OX3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and unique features to help you decide which processor is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding the differences between these two CPUs is crucial for making an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads boasts a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.2 GHz, with its hybrid architecture that combines performance and efficient cores. This makes it a great choice for gaming and multitasking. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 9995X3D takes the lead with its impressive boost clock of up to 5.7 GHz, enhanced by AMD's innovative 3D V-Cache technology, which significantly improves gaming performance. Both processors are designed for high-end applications, but the Ryzen 9's architecture gives it an edge in gaming scenarios. The architecture of these two processors is quite different. The Intel Core 9 to 12,900 kilofarads features a hybrid architecture that utilizes both performance and efficient cores, allowing it to handle demanding tasks effectively. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 9995X3D is built on the Zen 5 architecture, which focuses on maximizing performance with its 3D V-Cache technology. This architectural difference not only affects their performance, but also their power consumption and thermal management. In terms of technical specifications, the Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads offers 16 cores and 24 threads, with a TDP of 125W, making it a powerful option for high-performance tasks. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 99950X3D also features 16 cores but has a slightly higher TDP of 170W, which reflects its advanced capabilities, especially in gaming. Additionally, the Ryzen 9 has a significantly larger L3 cache of 144 MB due to its 3D V-Cache, which enhances its performance in memory-intensive applications. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9 to 12,900 kilofarads and the AMD Ryzen 99950X3D are exceptional processors that cater to high-end gaming and content creation. The choice between them ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize gaming performance, the Ryzen 9 with its 3D V-Cache might be the better option. However, for a balanced performance in both gaming and multitasking, the Intel i9 is a strong contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.